Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to log into your WordPress site. So once you're on your WordPress site, you might have a little login button like this that you can just click on and it'll take you to your login page. If you don't have this login page, you simply just need to type in your website address. At the end, type in wp-admin and hit enter, and this will take you to your same sign-on page. Once you're here, you simply have to just type in your username and your password, and then go ahead and click login. And that's pretty much it. That's how we log into our WordPress websites. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial video.